In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the garage door opener fixture that is located inside your garage. This is a push button fixture that opens the garage door. This company that we're specifically looking at is Wayne Dalton. These are pretty easy to attach and detach. Typically, they're only held on by one screw. I can see it, but you may not. But the screw in here is a Phillips, which is a plus sign. It looks like this on your screwdriver. Just gonna go ahead and twist that counterclockwise to remove the screw. And once you have the screw removed, there's another screw that's positioned that it's mounted on. So you just need to lift up and slide off. You can see that's where that screw was that mounted it. Okay, and that is how you remove this garage door opener from the wall. Sometimes you need to do this so that you can remove the batteries and replace them. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.